Today I am reviewing the 12U wall mount server rack cabinet by Sysracks. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're building a serious home lab, small business network, or professional IT setup, having a proper server rack is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. The 12U wall mount server rack cabinet by Sysracks is designed exactly for that purpose, offering a compact yet highly functional solution for organizing and protecting your networking and server equipment. Right from the beginning, what stands out about this rack is its professional-grade construction. It is built around a standard 19-inch rack format, which means it is fully compatible with a wide range of IT equipment, including network switches, patch panels, routers, NAS storage devices, post systems, and other structured cabling components. This makes it extremely versatile for both home and professional environments. The 12U size strikes a good balance between capacity and space efficiency. It provides enough room for a solid networking setup without taking up too much physical space, especially since it is designed for wall mounting. This is particularly useful in offices, server rooms, or even organized home setups where floor space is limited. One of the key highlights of this rack cabinet is its depth. With a total depth of 24 inches and around 20 inches of usable mounting depth, it comfortably supports a wide range of modern IT equipment. Many entry-level racks fall short in depth, which can make cable management and device installation difficult. This unit avoids that issue by giving you enough internal space to work with properly. Cooling is another important factor when it comes to network equipment, and this rack handles that well. It features a ventilated structure combined with a top-mounted cooling fan. This setup helps maintain steady airflow inside the cabinet, preventing heat buildup from active devices like switches, NAS drives, and routers. Proper airflow is essential for maintaining performance and extending the lifespan of your equipment, especially in setups that run 24/7. Security and protection are also well thought out. The rack includes a locking tempered glass front door, which allows you to visually monitor your equipment while still keeping it protected from unauthorized access. The removable side panels add convenience during installation and maintenance, making it easier to access your devices when needed. At the same time, the reinforced steel construction provides a solid and durable housing for your hardware. Another strong advantage of this rack is the inclusion of installation accessories. Out of the box, you get a vented steel shelf, a rack-mounted PDU for power distribution, brush cable entry panels, leveling feet, and mounting hardware. This means you don't need to purchase a lot of additional accessories separately, which can save both time and money when setting up your system. The load capacity is also impressive for a wall-mounted unit. It supports up to 133 pounds when mounted on a wall and up to 200 pounds when using the leveling feet. This gives you flexibility depending on how heavy your setup is. Whether you're installing a few switches and a patch panel or building a more advanced network with NAS storage and UPS systems, this rack is designed to handle it. Cable management is another area where this rack performs well. The included brush entry panels help organize and route cables neatly while minimizing dust entry. This not only improves airflow, but also keeps your setup looking clean and professional. Proper cable management is often overlooked, but it plays a big role in maintaining an efficient and serviceable IT environment. From an installation standpoint, the rack is designed to be practical and user-friendly. Once mounted, it provides stable support for your equipment, and the layout makes it easy to expand or reconfigure your setup over time. This is especially important for growing businesses or tech enthusiasts who plan to upgrade their systems gradually. In real-world use, the Sysracks 12U wall mount server rack cabinet offers a strong combination of durability, organization, and accessibility. Instead of having loose devices, tangled cables, and overheating equipment, everything is centralized in one structured, secure enclosure. Of course, like any server rack, proper planning is important. You need to consider weight distribution, airflow direction, and cable routing during installation to get the best results. But once properly set up, this rack significantly improves both the appearance and performance of your IT environment. Overall, the 12U wall mount server rack cabinet is a well-built, practical, and professional solution for managing network and server equipment. It offers excellent build quality, solid cooling support, useful included accessories, and strong structural design. If you're serious about organizing your networking setup, whether for home, office, or small business use, this rack provides a reliable foundation that helps keep everything secure, cool, and well organized.